All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Look at this shiny duck in the house with a nice and shiny Shirogorovan Sinkevich tool and some skiff washers. What? Bearings? Ceramic? No. Thick washers for my duck right over here. Let's see if we can improve the action. No, it's not going to improve. I mean, it's going to change for sure because this is really good, snappy. Look at that. You can, guys, look at this. It's gorgeous. I mean, skiff bearings and washers. Let's see. T8 Shirogorov and Sinkevich tool, pretty good. Let's just start from this guy's show side, right over here, like so. Taking out one screw and taking out the second screw, like so. And you're done. That was easy, right? So just release the tension. Wiggle. What are you talking about, Fab? There's two screws. Are you crazy? What are you doing? Now wiggle, wiggle, gentle, gentle. Slowly, slowly. There you go. And you get the backspacer out, blade out, and the two bearings out. So blade is gonna be coming over here. Let's not scratch anything here, right? Can you? Please? That's very, very tight fit, guys. So there you go. We are in business, so these are out. These guys are in. So I'm just gonna keep this bag for these guys. All right. There you go. And gone. It's, I mean, I know I just cleaned this up, so I'm not gonna do anything. This is just, I'm gonna clean it. Yes, why not? Because we have some new hardware coming in. So don't be lazy, Fab. Come on, just come on. How long is it gonna be? Look, you see, it needed some cleaning. You see, super dirty, right? Look at this. Clean these tracks very, very nicely. Indeed. Let's also clean this track like so. Pretty well done. Then right over here we're gonna use some washers. Look at this. I'm curious, since I have these guys here, I'm curious to see if we are precise. So let's just do a 0 here. So we got 1.09 and we got 1.47 at the but we have to calculate the actual balls. So one is gonna be 40, 55 and 160, 115, 56. Okay. All right. We are in business, guys. So it's there. Here I'm just gonna do 1 and 2. Wow, that was a big one. I'm just gonna do 2 here and 1 here. So this guy right there, we're gonna have a duck on washers. Yoo-hoo! Beauty. So like that, that's done. Pivot goes in like so. Got a blade in place. We wanna, yeah, we can keep the stop in there, whatever. It's fine. Just the blade, the backspacer right there, and now we just have to try and get the spacer lined up with these two screws like so. No, I missed that. 100% missed. Look at this. It's all right. We can just pull it up. Okay. So let's do one at a time. Let's try to grab the spacer, I was about to say. So release the tension from the blade. So now we're gonna do something different. All right, if that doesn't work, why try the same thing? So just do the sandwich right over here, like so. And let's see if we can manage to lay this thing down in place like that, right? And then you can see, okay, this fella. Good. So T8 for the screws right over here, not all the way, okay. I mean, all the way down, but not super tight already. So now here. Okay, interesting, interesting. I can already feel the action being different. It's gonna be, of course, slower. Yeah, of course. Not drop shot. Yeah, of course. But we're not looking for that. You're looking for something else. Now we can just tighten. Don't over tighten. All right. Ooh. And let's see. So actually, I should use a little bit of oof. Wow. Let me see. How long can I go until we don't have any blade play? Like here. Yeah, it's not drop shot, of course. But it's pleasant, actually. Very different. Like, it's more like, I mean, it just flies open, as you can see. Like, it's beautiful. Nice. Just the closing action is just slow, actually, but you see? Still, like, ooh, this feels like a rocket, even on washers. Amazing. There you have it. Thank you, Clark. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned.